press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Hello students, today we discuss another topic in application of derivative chapter. The concept is approximations. Very simple concept, approximations. So the word says that approximation means we are finding the value of the quantity. We are finding the value of the quantity. So that means what, sir? So we are finding square root of 25. We are finding square root of 25 by using derivative. Here we are finding the square root of 25 by using what? The concept of derivative. Why he says that approximate means the square root of 25 by using derivative, not exactly 5. It was near to the 5. So what we got by using the derivative of root 25 without using calculator, we are finding the square root of 25 by using what? The derivative concept. So why he say that approximation means, so here we got not exactly that value, it near to that value, that's why we call it as approximation. That's why it is called it as approximation. We will see how to find square root of 25, square root of 25.5, square root of 39, square root of 41. All these values, not only square root, cube root of 85, not only cube root, 10th root of 100 and 1001, like this. All these quantities are finding by using what? The concept of derivatives. Here what we got the value, it is not exactly equal value, it is near to that value. That's why the word he says that approximation, not exactly the correct value what we got, it is near to that value. That's why approximation, we call it as approximation. Then how we find all these values using derivatives? So three formulas are there. One by one we will see that. Formula 1. So you remember always, formula 1 means three concepts are there. What I do, I split into three concepts and each concept I call it as a formulas. So in first concept I use one formula. So better you remember this one. Already you know first principle method, f dash of x. F dash of x in first PUC. First principle method is limit h tends to 0, f of x plus h minus f of x divided by h. Correct now? You know in first PUC. The first principle method. I remove the limits f dash of x approximately equal f of x plus h minus f of x divided by h. I replace h by delta x, f dash of x. Small increment in x, so I replace h by delta x. Delta x means what? Small increment in x minus f of x divided by what? Delta x. Minus f of x divided by delta x. What I do? Cross multiply it. Delta x means f dash of x. F dash of x into delta x. F dash of x into delta x is approximately equal to f of x plus delta x minus f of x. F of x plus delta x minus f of x. Shift minus f of x from right side to left side. That implies f of x plus delta x is approximately equal to minus f of x from right side to left side becomes plus f of x plus f dash of x into delta x. This is a formula. Formula 1. It is nothing but what? Formula 1. Formula 1. Formula 1 is f of x plus delta x is approximately equal to f of x plus f dash of x into what? Delta x. F dash of x into what? Delta x. This is what? Formula 1. What we are doing here? Here we are finding the quantity, the value of the given quantity, the value of the given quantity by using what? Derivative method. In ancient they used such type of concept. They don't have calculators. They use what? Using derivatives they find square root of 49, square root of 49.9, square root of 54, so cube root of 63. All these values they are finding using derivative concept. That we will see that for first formula is, remember, f of x plus delta x. Delta x means what, sir? Small increment in x. Delta x means small increment in x. X plus delta x approximately equal to, not exactly equal, that's why he called it as an approximation. The value is near to that quantity. So approximately equal to f of x plus f dash of x into delta x. Formula 1. You always remember this formula. So it is enough, but how we got, that's why I prove this one. So formula 1. Formula 1 is what? f of x plus delta x is approximately equal to, f of x plus delta x is approximately equal to what? f of x plus f dash of x into delta x. We solve the problems by using this formula. So take down the problems. So problems. What he asked, using differentials, find the approximate using differential, find the approximate value of each of the following up to 3 places of decimal. 3 places of decimal. First problem, we categorize wise. First we solve square roots, next cube roots, next fourth roots, next fifth roots, like that. First problem is square root of 25 into 3. Square root of 25 into 3. So calculator is also very important. We use calculator also. 25.3. Okay. So what he asked, using what? Derivative. Using derivative, we are finding the value of square root of 25.3. Step 1. What we do? We split 25.3 into sum or difference of two terms. Step 1. Observe carefully. We split 25.3. Whatever it may be, what was given? Sum or difference of two terms. The first term is nothing but a perfect square number. Means if I write 25, so this becomes what? 5 square. So if it is suppose 16.5, so we have to write for 16. means 4 square. The first number we split into what? We split into sum or difference of two terms. Correct na? The first term is a perfect square number. If it is square root, perfect square number. If it is cube root, we will see the problems also. First I take square root. That's why the first number, we split this quantity into sum of two terms. Understand? The first number is a perfect square number. See what I do? 25 plus 0.3. Correct now? So 25 is nothing but what? 5 square. Perfect square number. 5 square is what? 25. And one more very important, this quantity is very negligibly small quantity. If it is very negligibly small, we got the value near to that one. Exact value we got. Understand? So step 1, very important step. Because we split into x plus delta x, f of x plus delta x. We split the quantity, what he has given the quantity, in square root. Firstly, in square root into sum or difference of two terms. Understand? Carefully observe here. Sum or difference of two terms. The first term is exactly a perfect square number. Got my point? Second term was negligibly very small. Negligibly very small. So f of here x plus delta x is equal to what? 25 plus 0.3. That implies, comparing these two, x is equal to 25, delta x is equal to 0.3. Got my point? X is equal to what? 25, delta x is equal to 0.3. So once again I explain, we split 25.3 or else whatever it may be given the value into sum or difference of two terms. The first number is perfect square number and second number is negligibly very small quantity. Then only you got the accurate value. Understand? Then only you got the accurate value. So okay. Next, we write the function. Here he has given root, that's why I write the function f of x is equal to root x. If suppose cube root he has given cube root of x, we also write the function because we want the derivative. If it is square root, we write square root of x. If it is cube root, we write cube root of x. If it is fourth root of x. Here what he has given, square root of 25.3. That's why I write the function f of x is equal to square root of x. You got the concept? Okay, we solve the problem. Okay, so firstly we write the function f of x is equal to square root of x. F of x is equal to square root of x. See, f of x square root has given square root of x. So that is f of x plus delta x. X plus delta x is equal to f of 25.3. That I can split into f of 25 plus 0.3. Once again I explain, we split this number 25.3 into sum or difference of two terms. The first number indicates perfect square number and the second number was very negligibly small value or negligibly small value. Okay na? Okay, so next line. Okay, 25.3 is equal to 25 plus 0.3. X plus delta x is equal to 25.3. That implies x is equal to 25, delta x is equal to 0.3. So write only one step. Okay, so that I how to write this one. See, 25.3 is equal to 25 plus 0.3. That implies simply it is enough. X is equal to 25, delta x is equal to what? 0.3. Understand? So firstly, so I write the solution. Okay, f of x is equal to root x. So we split 25.3, 25 plus 0.3. This number is a perfect square number and this is very negligible small value. That implies x is equal to 25, delta x is equal to 0.3. Okay, next we know that, write the formula. We know that f of x plus delta x is equal to f of x plus f dash of x into what? Delta x. So we use this formula, f of x plus delta x. F of x plus delta x is equal to what? F of x plus f dash of x into delta x. What we want? F dash of x. F dash of x is equal to 1 divided by 2 into root x, since f of x is equal to what? F of x is equal to root x. F of x is equal to root x. See, f of x is equal to root x. F dash of x is what? 1 by 2 root x. That implies f of x plus delta x is equal to f of x. F of x is what? Root x plus 1 divided by 2 root x into delta x. 1 divided by 2 root x into delta x. Substitute the value. Square root of f of x plus delta x means square root of 25.3 is equal to square root of 25. X is what? 25 plus 1 divided by 2 into root 25 into delta x. Delta x is what? 0.3. Root 25 is what? 5 plus 0.3 divided by 2 into 5. 5 plus 0.3 divided by 10. 0.3 divided by 10. So 0.3 divided by 10. So 5 plus 0.03. Square root of 25.3 is equal to 5.03. It is not, it is approximately equal. Approximately equal to. So approximate, you are better write approximately equal. Approximately equal to. Approximately equal to what? 5.03 using derivative. Once again I explain, we split this number, whatever he has given the value, we split into sum or difference of two terms. First term a perfect square number. Second term, it is a delta x, that's why it is a negligibly small value. So this we call it as x and this we call it as delta x. We know that. This we write approximate. Equal, no problem. If you want equal, no problem. Write approximate. F of x plus delta x approximately equal to f of x plus f dash of x into delta x. F of x means if it is square root of x. If it is cube root of x. If it is fourth root of x. So whatever given the quantity, that should be the function. Understand? Okay, f of x is what? Root x. Find f dash of x. F dash of x is what? 1 by 2 root x. 1 divided by 2 root x. So substitute all the values. Then substitute x and delta x. Simplify it. What we got the value, it is nothing but square root of 25.3. You check by using calculator, we got the same result, 5.03. Better you want to check also. Understand this concept? We will solve one more problem using this formula. Second problem, square root of 49.5. You also solve. If you solve, then only you are perfect. Square root of 49.5. So f of x, step 1, I write the function first. F of x, square root has given, that's why I write it as square root of x. Then I write derivative also here only. F dash of x, 1 by 2 root x. This is over. Step 1 is over. Step 2, we split 49.5, sum of two terms. The first term, sum or difference, okay? The first term is a perfect square because square root is present. Then 49.5 is equal to, how to write this one? 49 plus 0.5. Correct now? 49 plus 0.5. So that implies x is equal to 49. Delta x is equal to 0.5. Step 2 is over. Step 2 is over. Okay. So we know that f of x plus delta x exactly equal. Or else equal you write, no problem. Okay na? So approximate, whatever it may be you want. F of x plus f dash of x into delta x. F of x plus f dash of x into delta x. Okay, so that implies, substitute the function first, or else all the values you substitute once again, no problem. Approximately equal to f of x is what? Root x plus 1 by 2 root x into delta x. That implies just 3 steps. 14 square root of the function is 49.5 is approximately equal to square root of 49 plus 1 divided by 2 into square root of 49. Delta x is what? 0.5. So this approximately equal to 7 plus 0.5 divided by 7 into 2, 14. Use the calculator, find that value also. 0.5 divided by 14. 7 plus 0.035. Correct na? 0 means 0.5 divided by 14. 7 plus 0.35 because he asked use up to 3 decimal. I use only 3. Okay, this value approximately equal to 7.035. Check using calculator also. We got the same result. Understand? This is how to solve square root of the given quantity by using derivative. It is a very important concept. So in the annual examination, 2 mark question is compulsory for this concept. Okay, so we categorize. Firstly, we solve the square root of the given numbers. Understand? I use this formula. I call it as this one. It is not a formula, it is a concept, but I call it as a formula. It is a formula 1. Formula 1 is what? F of x plus delta x. If you write equal, no problem. Okay na? So by what means I write approximately f of x plus f dash of x into what? Delta x. We take one more problem. Square root of 401. Square root of 401. Square root of 401. Same procedure. F of x. F of x is equal to root x. You also take and you also solve. Then only you are perfecting. F dash of x 1 by 2 root x. So 401. We split 400 plus 1. Correct na? 400 plus 1. Why 400? 20 square na? 20 square is what? 400. Okay. We know that f of x plus delta x is approximately equal f of x plus f dash of x into delta x. Here x is what? X is 400. Delta x is what? 1. Delta x is 1. Square root of 401. Alright, one step only. Don't write this one. Write it, no problem. Square root of 400 plus 400, 1 divided by 2 into square root of 400 into 1. Okay. So, square root, that implies square root of 401 approximately equal to square root of 400 is 20. 1 divided by 2 into 20. 20 plus 1 divided by 40. Calculate it. 1 by 40. Approximately equal to 20 plus 0.025, correct? So square root of 401 is approximately equal to 20.025. Calculate. You also calculate. Then only you are perfecting. Square root of 401 is exactly equal to what? 20.025. You got? You understand the concept? We take one more problem. Next problem. Square root of 36.6. Square root of 36.6. So f of x is what? Root x. Right here only na, f dash of x. 1 by 2 root x. 1 by 2 root x. Square root of 36 point, okay, first we spread the terms, don't write directly. So that is equal to 36 plus 0.6, x is equal to 36, delta x is equal to 0.6. So we know that f of x plus delta x approximately equal to f of x plus f dash of x into what? Delta x. F dash of x into what? Delta x. So then substitute all the values. Square root of 36.6 approximately equal to square root of 36 plus 1 divided by 2 into square root of 36 into 0.6. So that square root of 36 is what? 6 plus 0.6 divided by 12. 6 plus 0.6 by 12. Calculate. .6 divided by 12. 0.05. So that implies square root of 36.6 approximately equal to 6.05. Approximately equal to what? 6.05. This is very, very important concept. One more problem regarding square root. Square root of 0.0037. 0.0037. So okay, same. F of x is equal to root x. F dash of x is equal to 1 by 2 root x. Square root of 0.0037. Okay, first we take the number don't write direct. If you practice, then only you write direct. 0.0036 plus 0.0001. Correct now, because 0.0036, it is a perfect square number of 0.06. Okay, then we know that x is equal to 0.0036, delta x is equal to 0.0001. Correct? Then we know that, write the concept, f of x plus delta x approximately equal to f of x plus f dash of x into delta x. Substitute directly, no problem. Square root of 0.0037 approximately equal to square root of 0.0036 plus 1 divided by 2 into square root of 0.0036 into 0.0001. So this approximately equal to, so this is what, 0.06 plus 0.0001 divided by 2 into 0.06. Calculate it. So that's approximately equal to 0.06 plus 0.0001 divided by 2 into 0.06, 0.12, 0.06 plus, we divide this one, 0.0001 divided by 0.12. So 0.00083 like this. So up to 3 means we neglect this one. It is approximately equal to what? 0.06. So square root of 0.0037, square root of 0.0037 is approximately equal to, because here we got 0.00083. We use up to 3 decimal points. So 3 decimal points are 0. That's why we neglect this value. Square root of 0.0037 is approximately equal to 0.06. Understand? One more problem. Point 6 square root of, next problem, 0.6 square root of 0.6. Okay, that okay, f of x is root x, f dash of x 2 root x over, okay now, 0.6. So I can split into 1 plus 1 minus 0.4, 1 minus 0.4. X is equal to 1, delta x is equal to minus 0.4. If you write minus very carefully, we know that f of x plus delta x approximately equal, okay, approximately equal f of x plus f dash of x into delta x. So square root of, substitute value, square root of 0.6 is approximately equal to square root of 1 plus minus 0.4 divided by 2 into square root of 1. Square root of 1 is what? 1 minus 0.4 divided by 2. 1 minus 0.4 divided by 2. So 1 approximately equal to 1 minus 0.2. Square root of 0.6 is approximately equal to what? 0.8. 1 minus 0.1 divided by 0.4, 0.4 divided by 2, 0.4 divided by 2 is equal to 0.2. 1 minus 0.2, 0.8, approximately equal to what? 0.8. Understand? So this we finish up what? Square root. You clear the concept square root? We will take another type of problems, that is cube roots. For that, first problem, 26 to the power 1 by 3 means cube root of 26. Cube root of 26. This is same concept. The function is nothing but x to the power 1 by 3. Firstly, we take root x. The difference is we take root x. Here is cube root of x. Okay, now then f dash of x. Carefully differentiate. F dash of x 1 by 3. X to the power 1 by 3 minus 1. 1 by 3. X to the power minus 2 by 3. Observe here, I simplified 1 by 3 into x to the power 2 by 3. I shift from numerator to denominator. So 1 by 3 into cube root of x square. Observe here, cube root of x square, or else cube root of x square. 1 by 3, if I take 3 is the LCM, 1 minus 3, 2 by 3. So cube root of x square, or else okay, no problem. If you write like this also, very easy. 3 into x to the power 1 by 3 whole square. No. For simple calculation, x to the power 1 by 3 into whole square. This is what the derivative. Okay. Then we split the number. Same procedure. 26. Here we write the perfect square number. Here we write the perfect cube number. 26 perfect cube number is what? 27. 3 cube. 3 cube is what? 27. Plus of minus 1. 3 cube. 3 cube is what? 27. Plus of minus 1. So x is equal to 27. Delta x is equal to what? Minus 1. So we know that. Write the formula. F of x plus delta x approximately equal to f of x plus f dash of x into delta x. Better you substitute the function firstly. First problem, you substitute the function x to the power 1 by 3. Yes, na? Plus 1 divided by 3 into x to the power 1 by 3 whole square. X to the power 1 by 3 whole square. Substitute all the values. Substitute all the values. Substitute all the values. That implies, right here, that implies cube root of 26 is equal to cube root of 27, correct na? Plus. Here is, we write delta x, I left, write delta x. Delta x is what? Minus 1 divided by 3 into cube root of 27 whole square. Cube root of 27 whole square. That is 3 plus minus 1 divided by 3 into 3 square. 3 plus minus 1 divided by 3 into 9. 3 plus minus 1 divided by 27. Calculate. Minus 1 by 27. 1 divided by 27. So 3 minus 0.037. 3 minus -0.037 2.963. Cube root of 26 not equal, approximate. If you write equal, no problem, no problem. I write equal, no problem. Approximate value of cube root of 26. For practice, I write equal. Okay, if you write equal, no problem. Square root, cube root of 26 approximately equal to 2.963. 2.963. Understand the concept of cube root. Here differentiation, see the differentiation firstly. I write x to the power 1 by 3 n into x to the power n minus 1. So 3 is the LCM minus 2 by 3. I shift the variable x from numerator to denominator, it will become plus 2 by 3. So I write like this. Okay, so substitute the values. We solve one more problem. Next problem, cube root of means 26.57 to the power 1 by 3. 26.57 to the power what? 1 by 3. Okay, so write the function. You also solve f of x. X to the power 1 by 3, f dash of x. F dash of x 1 divided by 3 into x to the power 1 by 3 whole square. Just now I write here. Correct now? So then 26.57 we split 27 plus of minus. See 27 minus 26.57 minus 0.43 plus of minus 0.43. If you subtract these two values, we got what? 26.57. X is equal to 27, perfect cube number. Delta x is equal to minus 0.43. Right, we know that f of x plus delta x approximately equal f of x plus f dash of x into delta x. Substitute the value directly, no problem. Cube root of 26.57 cube root of 26.57 approximately equal to 20 cube root of 27 plus 1 divided by 3 into 27 to the power 1 by 3 whole square. Correct now? Delta x is what? Minus 0.43. Minus 0.43. Okay, this approximately equal to 3 plus minus I write here 0.43 divided by 3 into 3 square. Approximately equal to 3 minus 0.43 divided by 9 into 3, it is how much? 27. So 0.43 divided by 27 approximately equal to 3 minus 0.015. So this cube root of 26.57 approximately equal to 2.984. Approximately equal to what? 2.984. I think you clear the concept. Yes, now. So we take one more problem. So one more cube root, 0.009 to the power 1 by 3, 0.009 to the power 1 by 3. Okay, so again f of x is what? X to the power 1 by 3. F dash of x is what? 1 by 3 into x to the power 1 by 3 whole square. This is what? F dash of x. So we split 0.009. So that I can split into 0.008 plus 0.001. Correct? 0.009, 0.008 plus 0.001. So x is equal to 0.008, delta x is equal to 0.001. We know that f of x plus delta x approximately equal to f of x plus f dash of x into delta x. So this is approximately equal to f of x is x to the power 1 by 3 plus 1 divided by 3 into x to the power 1 by 3 whole square into delta x. Correct na? So I write here that implies 0.009 to the power 1 by 3 is approximately equal to 0.008 to the power 1 by 3 . Here I write 0.009 to the power 1 by 3 is approximately equal to 0.008 to the power 1 by 3 plus delta x is what? 0.0013, 0.008 to the power 1 by 3 whole square. Correct na? Whole square. So this is approximately equal to this value. Okay, 0.2. Correct? 0.008 whole to the power 1 by 3 we can write as 0.2 whole cube plus 0.001 divided by 3 into 0.2 whole square. This approximately equal to 0.2 plus 0.001 3 into, calculate these values, 0.2 into 0.2, 0.04 into 3. So what we got? 0.12. This value approximately equal to 0.2 plus 0.001 divided by 0.12 is how much? 0.008. Okay, so that implies 0.009 to the power 1 by 3. If you add these two values, is approximately equal to 0.208. 0.208. Okay, next problem. So we finish up cube root. Next we take fourth root problems. Okay, fourth root problems. Under that, the first problem, fourth root, 15 to the power 1 by 4. So you already know the concept, how to solve this one. Yes, you also solve, then only you are perfect the concept. Okay, 15 to the power 1 by 4. What I take the function? F of x is what? x to the power 1 by 4. Then we find the derivative f dash of x. 1 by 4 n into x to the power 1 by 4 minus 1. 1 by 4 x to the power minus 3 by 4. 1 divided by 4 into x to the power 1 by 4 whole cube. This is what the derivative f dash of x. F dash of x. F dash of x. Understand? Yes. 15 we can split into 16 plus of minus 1. 2 to the power 4 is what? 16. Because we want perfect fourth power number. Because fourth root is present. X is equal to 16. Delta x is equal to minus 1. X is equal to 16. Delta x is equal to minus 1. We know that f of x plus delta x approximately equal to what? F of x plus f dash of x into delta x. So we substitute firstly all the function. X to the power 1 by 4 plus 1 divided by 4 into x to the power 1 by 4 whole cube into delta x. That implies 15 to the power 1 by 4 means fourth root of 15 approximately equal to 16 to the power 1 by 4 plus minus 1. Correct? Delta x is what? Minus 1. 4 into x 16 to the power 1 by 4 whole cube. 16 to the power 1 by 4 whole cube. Correct na? So that is approximately equal to 2 to the power 4. It is what? 2 minus 1 divided by 4 into 2 cube. Approximately equal to 2 minus 1 divided by 4 into 8. Approximately equal to 2 minus 1 divided by 32. Divide and simplify. 1 divided by 32. 2 minus 0.031. So that implies, write it here, that implies 15 to the power 1 by 4 means fourth root of 15 is approximately equal to 1.968. Fourth root of 15 is approximately equal to what? 1.968. Clear? So if you know the concept very clearly, you can solve any type of problems. So okay, up to this we finish up. We continue the remaining problems in next class. Thank you.